Elegant curves, clean lines, and a fascinating range of colors. These are the features that make the Marcolux MX3 patio and balcony awning stand out from the crowd. The fully enclosed cassette shows off the elegant combination of straight lines and curves. When retracted, both the awning cover and the folding arms are completely protected against wind and weather, and the swept-around front panel offers innumerable styling options. As for the color scheme, these 8 MX3 variations are just a fraction of what's possible. Or mix and match the color of the front panel with one of our 6 standard frame colors. The Marcolux MX3 is a very compact cassette awning offering total protection of the fabric and mechanism. Even though the cassette is just 12 centimeters high, the awning can still achieve a maximum projection of 3 meters at a width of 6 meters and 3 meters 50 at a width of 5 meters. Our smartly encased wall brackets are placed out of sight behind the MX3, and depending on the design of your house, you can also mount the awning to the underside of a balcony or to the roof timbers and adjust the angle to suit. To make extending the awning as durable and silent as possible, the arm joints of the MX3 are equipped with the renowned bionic tendon, the ultimate in arm technology. New retracting guides on the front profile and cassette protect the fabric during retraction and extension, and also ensure that the awning closes smoothly. Enjoy your Marcolux MX3 in the evenings too. The awning can be equipped with 2 lighting options, either illuminate the fascia with the elegant LED line or highlight specific features using the LED spots. The awning cover is a clever combination of design and function. Our fabrics are durable, resilient to dirt, and totally weatherproof. And they're elegant and colourful too. From over 250 fabric patterns, you can select the material that perfectly matches your home. And our Colour on Demand system offers even more choice. Unique worldwide, this system allows you to choose from 1,625 colours, so you can have your very own personal awning fabric. The Marcolux MX3, perfect in every way. For more information, do come and visit us at marcolux.com. Configure your MX3 right here online or arrange an appointment with our specialist dealer on site.